Yo, 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 we're back, and this time we are going to Oahu, Hawaii on a photography job. So, gonna vlog this thing a bit and show you what Hawaii looks like. It's gonna be a lot of fun. The group I'm with is a great group. They're gonna do a lot of cool things, and I'm sure we're gonna get a ton of cool footage. Stay tuned. North Shore, all types of good things to watch. You're gonna have yourself a really fun time watching this video. And right now we're packing up some clothes. It is currently 8:30 and my flight is at 11:30. And once you've traveled quite a bit like me, you tend to cut the flight times pretty close. So I still have to run, throw my backpack together, and probably hit a quick lift. And then I'll leave at 9:40, and we'll head over to the airport, and then we have a flight to Oahu, Hawaii. I don't believe any layovers, American Airlines, and we land in at around 3:30-ish local time. So, without further ado, thank you for clicking on the video, and I will see you on the airplane or in Hawaii. Let's go! We just landed down, and the weather feels absolutely fantastic. Really can't complain about a little bit of warmth and some nice humidity. We're gonna grab our bag, meet up with the company we're shooting for, and get to North Shore. Let's go. We are in Hawaii, in Oahu, North Shore, staying at some really cool condos on this company trip. Not my company, it's a company that I'm contracted with to do lots of content and marketing and things like that with. It's been going really well. I've been able to help this company really grow a lot of their sales teams this year, and it's just awesome to see how much they're thriving with my services and outside of my services. I think just the influence I've been able to make with a lot of their guys. So it's been a true blessing to work with this group. If you ever want to get into door-to-door sales, I have some of the best opportunities available for you. You'll see a lot of it on my social media. Make sure you give my Instagram a follow. And if you've come from my Instagram to my YouTube, thank you so much. But here's the place. It's a 3-bedroom. There's a couple, another guy, and then me, and we're all sleeping in different rooms. And the guys here that you probably will be seeing during some of these videos all made well over 6 figures in just under 4 months knocking door-to-door sales. So that's the top 10 salesmen of the company, all here in Hawaii. We're gonna have a great time. We have a cool itinerary. Just landed in and we had dinner. And if you don't know, I'm on a huge diet right now, and I had to break it. There was these cookies and this ice cream, and I had some mashed potatoes, and definitely right now, the core is not there. The lower 6, as you can see, it's not there. But I'm tired. I have some editing to do, some files to drop to the team. So we're gonna get to work, get some sleep, go for an early morning run, and I will see you tomorrow for whatever activities we get into. Let's go. This is Hawaii 2026. What a run that was. That route was beautiful. That jungle in there, absolutely phenomenal. How can you beat that? Look at the runner's high I got. All I'm missing is a little cold plunge action, and we'd be right back in the routine. We've already had our whey protein shake with our creatine. It's whey isolate, a little bit easier on the dairy so you don't get as much bloat. And now we just hit some handstands outside right here. You know, some like little calisthenics. We ran along this route into the woods, and it was stunning. As far as the diet goes, you know, we had our whey, we had our creatine. Gonna eat 2 meals today, and probably got to sneak in 2 to 3 more shakes, which is not as much whey as I want to be taking. But when you're on the go, you gotta do what you gotta do. Still trying to stay in a calorie deficit today. Yesterday I broke. The rest of the trip, we're still gonna be progressing and not doing that. But I'm gonna get dressed. Just had to show you this beautiful view from the apartment. From the condo, and the runner's high is there, and it's very present right now. I feel like I just took a bunch of substance, and I'm ready to get after it. Let's go.
Walking in the dark, cold, glistening moonlight. I couldn't hold on to the dealings I would do.
We're hiking right now, and I can't have my video camera out, so I'm going to, I'll take a little video, sorry. Can't have the video camera out because it's too much gear. So you'll see some photos that I took along the way. Just using my camera to record this, I couldn't take too many videos. But look how beautiful this is. It's absolutely stunning. And the views from the top are obviously magnificent. So I hope you enjoy some of the photos. I'm gonna throw them up now. And we're gonna keep moving. I'm with two great people, Mike and his wife. Absolutely fantastic models and even better people. I hope they see this because they've inspired a lot in me on this trip. Let's go. Like this fake way. You guys want to get in it? Oh, cool.
Aloha, brother.
That one gets you cold.
Yeah, let's go pop up there and then make some.
I can't get up from sitting. Have you been able to ever do it from?
I can't. I can push out, but it usually falls down fast. There you go. Oh. Oh.
Second.
One arm. Yeah, I feel like, especially like you don't have to lean in there.
This is day 3 in Oahu, North Shore, Hawaii. Day 3 if you're counting the fact that the first day we landed in. This would now be day 3, meaning we've had one full day here. And here we are today, running again on this beautiful island in the morning. God, I love running. It just gives you such a head high. I like sprinting too, I don't like jogging. We're sprinting, whatever it is. But now, the sales group I'm here shooting with, shout out Eco Shield, best door knocking opportunity you will find anywhere in the world. Change your life. I've seen it change so many young men's lives. But now we are on our way to go meet the sales group to do some pickleball. I'm just shooting the content for them. And I'd like to hit the gym today. It's a Friday, I believe. I still have 2 lifts left on my split this week. A back, by, slight upper body. And then Friday will be a bit of full body, but low volume, heavyweight upper body to make sure that while I'm cutting, I don't lose any chest mass. So I'm feeling tired. Let's go. We'll go shoot this pickleball. Gonna be some cool footage. And we're moving on with the sales group today. Maybe a helicopter ride, maybe some ATV, and who knows. Let's get into it. On our way to the pickleball. I don't know, Tyler's trying to get the kids here.
Yeah. You can do it for a month, and then you're like, I'm literally gonna die.
Scum. 6'8".
No. Abundance. Come on. Try grab.
Yeah, you gotta grab him, grab him. Now get some donuts.
Dude, right here. I'm not here to hurt you.
He's hella like finicky. He's not falling for it.
The whole ball at him.
Look at them run back off into the woods like little raptors.
Yeah. Drinking alcohol in this
Go hold it for him.
Damn, that was quick. Shaka.
That's for my vlog.
go,
Say what's
vlog.
up, Vic. Say what's up to the vlog.
Intro. We're in Hawaii, guys. Top 10. What? I mean, damn, I'm camera shy. We're lit. We're in Hawaii. That's it.
It's for my vlog. Say what's up, Nick.
Woo!
This one's for the vlog. You guys got anything to say about the hike?
Your cameraman is goated at what he does. Cool flicks. Insane views too. Sure, you're gonna see it. Don't worry.
It's a video. So we finished up at the gym really fast, and now we're back hiking. You can obviously see with friends of the company, Nick, my fiance, soon to be fiance, wife Hillary, and another guy, Vic. And the gym we did not hit as well as I would have liked to have hit it. However, here we are doing a hike. We hit some back and upper body a bit. And now we are here, beautiful Hawaii, back on the hike, here to throw the drone up because I did not get to throw the drone up yesterday. So that's very exciting. Getting some magnificent shots. And this place is just gorgeous. So let's get up, throw the drone up, and I hope you enjoy some of the footage that I got here. So, last few days have been a little packed. A few things to unwind on is that I crashed my drone on top of the Ritz-Carlton back here. And I just retrieved it. I got all of my footage off the SanDisk, but the drone is unfortunately pretty banged up. We're gonna have to order a new one. It was about time anyways, because I have broken that guy a few times and had to take him down to the repair shop more than I would like to admit. But we went on some hikes. Most of the guys are leaving today, probably already at the airport. My flight's super late, it's like 2 a.m. So I have the whole day here. And we're gonna go to Waikiki. But first we're gonna hit this Ted's Bake Shop. That place is absolutely delicious. I cannot recommend that spot enough. The diet has been completely broken. I'm not even gonna sugarcoat it. But we're gonna go ahead and hop in with our buddy Eric in his car. We're gonna go to Ted's Bake Shop, bakery, whatever it's called, and enjoy our last day here in Hawaii. Hope you've enjoyed it. And whatever little bits I show left are just the final day and us sort of relaxing and getting to the airport to head home before heading to Vegas next weekend. Let's go. So I am trying to really limit the amount of content I shoot on my iPhone and keep it to the FX3. But it's a little difficult when you're toting so much gear and you put something away and you're like, oh damn, I don't want to bring that back out. But it is beautiful in here. It's gorgeous. What you just saw was me shooting some content, some photos and videos for one of the partners or managers here with the sales group I'm with. Him and his wife, they have been blessed enough to be having another baby. And so those are just kind of like some reveal photos, which are really cool. So I'm glad we got those. Now we're gonna head over to one of these places called Ted's Bakery. And that place is absolutely delicious. If you ever come to Oahu, I think out of everything I can recommend here, Ted's Bakery is the number one. Some of the bigger guys are leaving today, the owners of the company. So with that being said, it's a little more chill, not as much planning. So I can actually hit the gym a bit today and kind of get the body back right because I'm not feeling that good. Feeling a little flabby. I've been running every morning, but just not feeling where I should be. So I'm excited at the gym. Gonna go eat some pineapple cheesecake and enjoy myself first. and then I will meet you all at some other point along the trip. Let's go.